All right, guys, tell me if this sounds familiar. You get in your car, it's cold, you fire it up, and you hear that ticking sound. Man, maybe you got an LS, it's got displacement on demand, or maybe you have this start-stop function in your car, and you got that noise. Let me tell you what's going on. All right, so this is inside your engine, right? And it really comes down to the lifter sitting right here on your camshaft. Now, that guy's doing a very important job. So inside of here is a pretty interesting little mechanism, right? You're feeding oil, right, through the block, and you're feeding it through a tiny little hole in the side here. Now, it's just a sort of a canister with a plunger in the middle, and your push rod sits right here. Some oil can go up that hole and feed your valve train. So you're constantly trying to pump the right amount of oil in and bleed the right amount of oil out, so you have this perfect balance where everything's nice and tight. You get full valve opening, and you don't have rattles. But what happens is these modern engines, man, they run hot, right? They run strong. We run long oil changes, right? So all that oil, and especially the start and stops, a lot of thermal cycles. So you build up varnish, you build up carbon deposits because it breaks down the oil, right? Especially in these displacement on demands, once they kind of collapse, those cylinders shut off, they could just sit there and bake for a really long time. So what can we do about it? Well, in comes Hot Shot's secret. This is their Tick Fix Plus Protect. It's nice. You just replace 1 quart of oil at your oil change with one of these. And we all know what's in oil, there's a lot of additives. Well, those additives are in here, so it's a nice 1-to-1. You don't have to worry about that side of things. Now, it goes in there and it cleans and it breaks down the varnish to let everything operate and flow like it's supposed to. Well, on top of that, they put in FR3 with Nano-Technology. That's an anti-friction, it's a protecting agent, so you're also protecting from future wear. Everything from your cam, your lifters, your rockers, everything that's in your oiling system, it's all going in there, cleaning and protecting. So, cleaner oil flow, quieter valve train, 100% money-back guarantee. Check it out, Hot Shot's secret. It's their Tick Fix Plus Protect.
This tech tip is brought to you by Hot Shot's Secret, powered by science.